You'll find the headlight control switch on the left side of the instrument panel. Turn the control to the first position for parking lights. Turn to the second position for headlights. You can also turn the control to the auto position, if equipped. In this position, the headlights will turn on or off automatically based on the surrounding light levels. The dimmer control switches control your instrument panel lights, map lights, and other interior lighting, if equipped. With the parking lights or headlights on, or with the switch in the auto position, rotate the dimmer control on the left to adjust ambient lighting. Rotate the control on the right to adjust your instrument panel brightness. To activate the fog lights, turn on the parking lights or the low-beam headlights, or put the switch in the auto position, then push in the headlight control switch. Push the control in a second time to turn the fog lights off. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.